Okay, so the chapter rate, in the chapter rate, we are going to discuss page number 225. So for 1 hour, you need to pay $1, and for 4 hours, you need to pay $4. 1 hour, $1. 4 hours means four multiplied by $1. Then he has to pay $4. $1 per hour is known as a rate. Okay, it shows that the cost to park at the car park per hour. So number of units 4, and rate, what is the rate? $1. So total amount is $4. So there are three related quantities in rate. Can you tell how they are related? Can you tell how they are related?
Teacher, $1 multiplied by 4.
Yeah, so as you know that the amount, like how many times you are going to, for how long you are going to park your car, and what is the rate, like for parking, what is the rate? And like when rate and number of units are related, so the total amount depends on the rate and for number of hours or number of unit. So So if you are going to find rate is equal to total amount divided by number of units. So in this way you can find out the rate. If rate is not given, you can find out the rate. I'll tell you how. So now let's read the next question. That is Mrs. Tan types at a car at a rate of 60 words per minute. How many words can she type in 15 minutes? So they are saying, what is the rate? How do we find the number of words that she can type in 15 minutes? So rate is equal to 60 words per minute. That is written. Number of words typed in 15 minutes is basically rate will be multiplied with the unit. So that is 15. 15 minutes and 60 words per minute. So when you will multiply 15 with 60, you will get the answer. So in the first blank, write 15 multiply by 60. Done?
Yes. Yes.
Now multiply 15 and 60. What will be the answer?
900.
Good morning. It's 900. So you will write 900 where the equal is written. And Mrs. Tan can type 900 words in 15 minutes. Done?
Yes.
Okay, now the third question is Miss Chan works part time and is paid $8 per hour. She was paid $576 in February. How many hours did Miss Chan work in February? So pay rate is $8 per day. Oh, sorry, per hour. Total paid is $576. So number of hours equals to, I want you to give the formula. You will write number of hours is equal to the total amount paid divided by the number of divided by the hour rate, yeah, pay rate. So you can also write this formula at the side, like in this way: rate equals to total amount divided by number of units. Right, rate equals to total amount divided by number of units. This is the formula of rate.
What, teacher?
But I'm saying write the formula. Rate equals to total amount divided by number of units. Like this, I'm telling you this. Rate is equal to total amount divided by number of units. Write this onto the side of the question. Done? And in your question, as you know, the total amount is dollar $576, and the number of units are 8. So when you will divide 576 with 8, you will get your rate. So are you done with this formula?
Yes.
Okay. So in our question, like 576 divided by 8 equals to 72 hour. So Miss Chan worked 72 hour in February. Now question number 4 is a machine prints 75 sheets of paper per minute. How much time is needed to print 450 sheets of paper? Rate is given 75 sheets per minute. Time taken to print 450 sheets equals to what? Total amount divided by rate that is given. Total pages are 450 and divided by 75, that is rate. So what will be the answer?
Teacher, 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 can you tell the formula again? Because I was in washroom.
Okay. Bete, that was the formula of rate that is equal to total amount divided by, you can make a bar, divided by done total amount divided by number of units.
Teacher, rate is equal to total amount divided
If
by.
you want to find out the rate, that was the formula of rate. But in these questions, we are using something else. We are dividing the total amount with the pay rate, or rate will come down. So that formula is for something like when you have to find out rate. So for these questions, we are just finding out the amounts. The time taken to print 450 sheets is equal to 450 divided by 75, that is equal to 6. Four 50 divided by 75, that is equal to 6. So what will come into the blank of 4 where it is written dash minutes is needed to print 450 sheets of a paper? Ji Hassan,
Done.
what is the answer of this line? Dash minute is needed to print 450 sheets of a paper.
Teacher, 6.
Good. Okay. It is 6. Now, question number 5 is Mr. Tan's family used 927 kilowatt of electricity for 30 days. At this rate, how much electricity does Mr. Tan's family use per day? So total amount of electricity used is 927 kilowatt and number of days equals to 30. So rate is equal to, this is the formula that I gave you is this, total amount divided by 30. जो मैंने आपको ऊपर फॉर्मूला लिखवाया था रेट का वो यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है. Total amount divided by number of units. So number of units is days. So 927 divided by 30 will give you 30.9 kilowatt per day. So it is written in the book. So Mr. Tan's family used 30.9 kilowatt of electricity per day. Look at your electricity bill. How much electricity does your family use per day? Okay, you can find out like that. So question number 6 is a factory makes 3,234 toys in 7 hours. At this rate, how many toys can factory make per hour? So rate का formula वही है that the formula that we wrote above in question number 3 or 4. So a total number of toys made equals to 3,334 and rate equals to 3,234 divided by what? Yes, who is going to tell me? 3,234 divided by?
7.
Just 7.
Good. Yes, it's 7. So when you will divide 3,234 with 7, you will get the answer.
462.
Very good. 462. So you will write equals to 462 toys per hour. The factory makes 462 toys per hour. On page number 227, it is written. Can we start question number 7?
Yes.
Okay. Weming wants to post a letter locally. Local postage rates mass stepped up to 20 gram and 40 gram. You can, send 20 gram and 40 gram according to the rate. So for 20 gram standard regular mail 0.30 means $0.30 and 40 gram is $0.37. Up to means less than or equal to the given mass. So his letter weighs 30 gram. How much postage should he pay for this letter? Since the mass of the letter is greater than 20 gram and less than 40 gram, the postage is 0.37. Okay, so for if he has to pay 30.30 for 20 gram, and they are saying like if it is greater than 20 gram and less than 40 gram and the rate is not written over there, he has to pay the greater rate, like he has to pay 0.37 for that. Is that clear? Any questions?
Yes.
Okay. In question number 8, the table shows the postage rates to countries in Asia. So, mass step up to 20 gram, 40, 50 gram, 100 gram, and per additional step of 100 gram. So, they are saying there are rates that are already written. So, Priya wants to send a package that weighs 150 gram. Okay, how much is the postage? First, 100 gram equals to $1, and the next 50 gram equals to 1.10. 1.10. Why? Because like per additional step of 100 gram, if you are adding some other weight, So you have to pay $1.10. So total cost equals to 1
1.7.
1.7. How? Betty, look, you just have to add the amounts that are given already. First, that was 100 gram, and the rate is written $1.00. Total cost is equal to $1.00. So what is the next cost? Next 50 gram equals to
1.10.
yeah 1.10. So you are going to write $1.10, and then you will add them. So $1 and $1 means $2.10. So you will write $2.10. Is that clear? The postage is $2.10. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now on page number 120, sorry, 228. Question number 9 is the parking rate at the shopping mall is shown below. Parking rate for car 1.20 for the first star, and 0.60 for every additional half hour to part thereof. If they want to park for longer, then they have to pay 0.60 for half hour. Okay. So how much must Mr. Lim pay to park his car at the mall for 1 by 4 hours. Okay, so 1 hour and 15 minutes. It means 1 by 4 means 15 minutes. So he has to pay the larger amount, as we know. So first star he is going to pay 1.20. Next half when like they are uh taking 0.60 for half hour. So as we did in the previous question, like if the weight is between the range, like it is greater than it is less than half hour, so he has to pay the full amount. So next 1 by 4 hour, it means 0.60. So total amount he is going to pay is 1.20 plus 0.60. Now you will add them. So 1.80 will be the answer. As you know that 0 will be 0, 6 and 2 will be 8, and 1 and 0 will be 1. 1.80.
You're done.
So Mr. Lim must pay $1.80. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, the last thing we are going to do is a factory. This is a factory manufactures 90 cars per day. How many cars does it manufacture in 7 days? 90 multiplied by 7. So 9 sevens are 63. So it will be 630. So you can write 630 over there. The second question is water flows out from a tap at the rate of 20 milliliter per second. 180 milliliter of water was collected from the tap. How many seconds had the water been flowing? 180 divided by 20 will give you 9. So you will write 9 seconds in question number 2.
Done.
In question number 3, a bakery bakes 1000 loaves of bread in 5 hours. At this rate, how many loaves of bread can it bake per hour? As you know, like 1000 loaves of bread in 5 hours. So they are saying at this rate, uh, how many how many loaves of bread can it bake per hour? So you will divide it, and you will get the answer 200. 1000 divided by 5 will give you 200. Question number 3, you will write 200.
Done.
In question number 4, the table shows the parking rate of a multi-story car park 6 a.m. to 5:59 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 5:59 a.m. So, how much does it cost to park from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m.?
ये 6:30 है.
Okay, 6:30 p.m. Explain your answer. G, how much time? How much they will pay? It is from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. For 4 p.m., he has to pay 1.28. Okay, and from 6 for 6 5:59 p.m. So for 6 he has to pay. How much he will pay? You have to tell that.
Teacher, what's your sign?
Okay, Betty, I'm going to explain you this question and then you can leave the class. First of all, you can see how much does it cost to the park from 4 p.m. For 4 p.m., they have written like dollar 1.28 per hour or part thereof. So for 4 to 5, he has to pay $1.28. Then from 5 to 6, for 5 to 59, from 5 to 59, he is going to pay again $1.28. So after that, he has to make an entry from like he is finishing at 6. So he has to pay 2.25 per entry. So when you will plus 1.28 with 1.28 plus 2.25, it will give you 4.81. So write the final answer dollar 4.81. Okay, Bete, your class is up and it is written that you have to complete workbook pages 55 to 58.
Okay, teacher. Allah Hafiz, teacher.
Okay, Bete, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz,
Allah
teacher.
Hafiz, teacher.
Allah Hafiz.